The last stimulus package was intended to spur production of American products, but some say that's not the case. They claim companies are violating the Buy American Provisions Act. Stacey Mullaney caught up with one Mid-Michigan company that says it's lost contractors to foreign competitors.
It's the sound of manufacturing. But here at Full Spectrum Solutions in Jackson, where light fixtures are made, it's a sound workers thought they would hear more often with the recent stimulus package.
When this happened, we thought, wow, it's like winning a lottery. A lot of business is going to be coming this way.
But that didn't happen, and CEO Mike Nevins says that's because local governments around the country largely ignored the Buy American provision.
All of a sudden, everybody put American flags on their websites and started claiming that they were U.S. manufacturers.
And when Nevins started losing contracts to foreign competitors,
at least two, equaling about $3.4 million,
he decided to get Congressman Mark Schauer involved.
They are taking products that were made in China and putting a label saying made in the USA and cheating our businesses and our workers out of jobs.
Schauer wrote to Vice President Biden, who responded by implementing a streamlined system for complaints and sending letters to remind those who accepted grant money of the provision, something that already seems to be working in Nevins' favor.
We've already been contacted by Islip, New York, and they said that they're aware of the situations and they've actually pulled their bid back and are now negotiating with us.
And he's hopeful as other local governments come to better understand the provisions, more lights will roll off the line. Stacey Mullaney, 6 News.